The Supreme Court has struck down the 25-year experience requirement for chartered accountants to serve as tribunal members. But before we continue, please like and subscribe to stay informed on crucial legal updates. In a pivotal clarification delivered on 19th November 2025, the Supreme Court ruled that chartered accountants cannot be compelled to possess 25 years of professional experience to qualify for appointment as technical members in tribunals. This includes bodies such as the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. The court found that imposing such a threshold was unconstitutional, as it would delay entry into tribunal service until the age of 50. This mirrors a barrier previously struck down for advocates, highlighting the court's consistent stance against arbitrary age-linked restrictions. The bench, comprising the Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai, and Justice K. Vinod Chandran, issued this clarification after the issue was raised by Counsel for Chartered Accountants. The submission emphasized that the court had already invalidated age-linked restrictions for advocates, arguing that the 25-year experience requirement for CAS was an equally arbitrary barrier. Accepting this parity-based reasoning, the court extended its earlier holding, declaring the requirement unconstitutional. The Supreme Court observed that a minimum experience threshold of 25 years would render qualified professionals ineligible for an unreasonably long period. This would defeat constitutional principles concerning tribunal independence, accessibility, and rational service structures. The court stated, "We are in agreement with the submissions made on behalf of the ICAI. If such a provision is held to be valid, it will permit the CAS to enter into service only after they attain the age of 50 years. It further noted, "We have already held that a similar provision may not be sustainable in the case of advocates. There should be no difficulty in applying the same analogy. The CAS would be considered for appointments as technical members." Declaring the 25-year requirement unconstitutional, the court directed that its clarification be read as an addition to the judgment delivered earlier. The Union government must bear this finding in mind while drafting fresh legislation or amendments to the Tribunal Reforms Act framework. This landmark ruling ensures fairness and equal opportunity for chartered accountants in tribunal appointments.